Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I actually just wake up. Yeah, okay, woke up. Yeah, I actually just woke up. Yeah, today I work from. Wait, it's so bright. Focus or okay, it's normal. Yeah, today I actually work from 6 o'clock and I finished 2 o'clock. The time now is 3:40. Yeah, I drive straight up here, Sands Beach here in Shoal Bay. And I thought I'm going to cook my meal, but I lay in the bed and I fall asleep. And actually there are so many cars in here, lots of people. You see over there. When I was trying to park here, I actually hit the bumper. Yes, something on the back. Let me show you. So basically I reverse from here and yeah, reverse to up here. And it's very little space. And I think I hit this one. Yeah, this. I think I hit this one. And oh no. Oh, I didn't notice this one. Yeah, I hit that one. And now this is a little bit. Oh no, good. I was not expecting this one. I thought just this. I thought just this. Wow, this is bad. So probably it hits here. No good. And there is another thing here. Yeah, this one. But I don't know when this one happened. Yeah, I don't notice this one. I don't know if it is because my mistake or other people's mistake driving. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, that is how it is. And I think I need a major repair for this van. Yeah, just like that. If you see that there is a water leakage. And until now, I mentioned that to you before, but yeah, I'm still not fixing it. There is another thing that is broken here. Yeah, the legs of this bed, one leg is already broken. If you see that one, let me show you the other side. This one, other leg of the bed. Yeah, so when I sleep, I'll just put it like this and fix, because somehow it has this kind of glue, so it is stick. Yeah, that one is the one of the big issue. Yeah, but this really makes me feel bad. Hi. Yeah, no good. Yeah, so yeah, I accept it. It's not a big deal, not a problem anymore. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I still need to be thankful that it happened just like this. It's not an accident involving other people, or yeah, I still need to be thankful. It's sad, but I need to accept it. Yeah, it looks bad already. It looks bad. Yeah, it looks bad. I don't know if I'm going to spend money just for this to fix, to make it normal. I don't know. It's okay. It's okay, Robbie. They have this Filipino adobo mix. And for the rice, I actually have this leftover from last night. It's already cooked, but it doesn't look good. I tasted it and it's okay. It's also good with rice. Yeah, before we go to eat, let me show you outside here first. The area is a little bit hidden, and it is how it is here. We are going to that other side. The weather today is actually really nice. Yeah, it's a little bit hot. When I finish my work, I get outside. Yeah, it was hot. Almost summer. A lot of people outside of the workplace. I mean, a lot of cars outside of the workplace. Yeah, because they are in the beach. Yeah, even here, even when I was driving, coming here, coming from my workplace. Yeah, lots of cars in the side of the road. Basically, they are at the beach. There is a viewing area here, and look at that. There is one, yeah, scooter, electric scooter. This viewing area, I can see some people swimming, playing, and yeah, that's the Tumari Mountain. I can see some people on the top because there is a walking trail going up to that mountain. That's the Tumari Head. Let's go down there to the sand. Yeah, we've been here so many times. So many times. Oh, actually, I'm going to take off my socks because it's very sandy. Before leaving the workplace, one of my colleagues asked me, "Robbie, are you going to the beach? Are you going to swim?" Yeah, I said, no, it's hot. I said like that. But yeah, I don't know how to swim. So yeah, there is a group of friends over that side. And there is another group over that side. Okay, that's it. We are going now back to the... Oh, look at that. Yeah, there is erosion. You see that white area? Basically a landslide. That is really sad. Yeah, it's really sad that it has this Okay, this is it. So basically toasted green beans in adobo sauce and egg. This adobo sauce that you can buy in Woolworths or in Coles is actually a little bit spicy. Probably it's the pepper. Yeah, pepper is spicy. It's also a little sweet. Noisy birds. Yeah, it's sparkling water. You know, it's very dangerous to open this inside. Yeah, because it's plush. I don't know if we're going to see the sunset. Yeah, because I still need to wash this. Already washed, but I'm just drying it. I can see the sun in here is still still shining over that side. Hopefully we are able to catch the sunset. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, at the moment I am here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. I just finished my duty 2 o'clock Start at 6. Yeah, today I clean all the racks inside the fridge. Yeah, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 racks. Oh, actually 10 racks. Yeah, and I cleaned the 8. Yeah, because we are not busy these days. We have just 39 guests. Yeah, compared to when it is busy, almost over 200 during summer. But in fairness, there is a renovation in our hotel, so yeah, some hotel rooms, they are on renovation. That's why it's not busy. And yeah, I want to reward myself because I worked very hard today by cleaning, not for cooking. So I'm going to buy delicious food. Yeah, noodles, and I'm going to eat it with rice. When I was crossing at the roundabout, yeah, there are so many students, they want to cross the street. It is not actually a pedestrian because there's no line, there's no zebra line, but there are so many. So I gave way to them first. I let them go. And then the traffic build up at the back of my, at the back. I feel a little guilty, but it's alright. This is what I got. This is actually $15.90. Just in the previous maybe 5 months, it was $14 something. And then before that, it was 13. The cheapest that I know, it was $12 something. Now it's getting really very expensive, mate. I still have this rice left over from last night when I ate the green beans adobo. I'm not going to microwave it. I'm not going to reheat it anymore. Yeah, I'm lazy to go inside. And you know, I just learned this thing that if you press this, the unlock button, it is going to unlock the door of the vehicle. And then if you press again, it is going to open the door, the window. Just like that. Yeah, nice. The same like closing the window. Close it, press the close button, and then press again, and it's going to close the window. Yeah, I just learned it recently. Oh. Yeah, I still need to get inside to get a plate because here this one is full, so no space. Yeah, I got this plate. Whoa, look at that. This is rich. Seafoods, meat. And I'm actually now here in Mayfield. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry. Yeah, at the moment I can see it actually from here. I'm doing my laundry here, not in the expensive one. But here I spend $20 because I wash the white and the colored separate, and then I dry it also separate. Yeah, it's dry now. Finish. This one, but yeah, I still have the white one. So good day everyone. Yeah, I'm here at the gym. I just arrived here coming from the place where I sleep last night. Yeah, this is in the area of Newcastle. Yeah, I did not go to my apartment yet. I decided to sleep somewhere. Yeah, this apple is very crunchy. Pure Envy, the name of the apple. and we are actually just at the side of this train station. This train station is Newcastle Interchange. When I left the car park where I slept last night, yeah, there is one guy having the same vehicle like this. Yeah, and he is sitting in the same place like this on his car. Yeah, and he waves his hand to me, something like that, and he did some kind of sign language. I initially cannot figure out what he's trying to say. Yeah, then I realized that, oh, he's just telling me that we have the same cars, that this car is good. Yeah, but looking at his car is kind of old model, but yeah, maybe still you see the similarity, but looks like an old model. Yeah, it's nice, it's good. I like those people who express their you know, yeah, who say something, who express their feelings. Me, I'm not like that. I'm always shy to express the feeling. So when I go to the gym, what I bring is, yeah, this. I think I've shown it to you before. Yeah, I did. I have a toothbrush, toothpaste, shaver, bath soap, deodorant, and tongue cleaner. I don't have shampoo. Usually there is a shampoo in the shower. Yeah, so that's what I use. And then I also have this. Yeah, instead of using a big towel, I'm using this to dry myself, because a big towel is difficult to dry, and there's no place for me to dry it. If I use a big towel for shower to dry myself, yeah, it will stay here in the bun wet, and wet thing is not good inside the bun. Yeah, that's why I'm using just this. It easily get dry. I just put it in the dashboard or in the box over there. It will be dry easily. What else? Yeah, I also bring underwear. And then I changed my shirts here in the bun. Yeah, the next place that we're going to go is a car wash. Oh, look at this. It says here, if you can read this, thank a teacher. If it is in English, thanks a soldier. Yeah, what does that mean? I don't understand. Why soldier? Because soldier is a teacher? Maybe it's something like that. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, at the moment I am here. Yeah, I actually went to that Mamik Ismas Repairs, and I asked how much it is going to cost to fix this. Yeah, and it is very visible. I thought I am going to just leave it just like that, but yeah, it's not good. And you know, a bad car, a wrecked car, a smashed cars, yeah, a broken car, it represents the personality of the owner, of the driver. For me. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to fix it. I want my bun to be looks beautiful like it is. I'm fine with the small scratches that is not visible, but something like this, I don't like it. The guy actually advised to remove the whole the whole door, change it with a new one, and he also asked me to go to the insurance. Yeah, to go for insurance claim. it is going to cost, he said, about $2,000, $3,000. That's a lot of money. No good. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, but yeah, if you can read this, thank a teacher. If it is in English, thanks a soldier. What's that? Or maybe I should go to another. Yeah, and you know what? I was thinking that it will just cost about 300, 500, less than $500. Yeah, to to fix that. Actually, let's go to another repair shop. Drive a little bit and I reach this area. Yeah, there's so many cars in here. This is kind of a residential industrial area. Yeah, lots of establishment that is related to cars, car repair, painting, something like that. What's that? That guy maybe knows me. Yeah, I just went there. Yeah, they asked me to bring the car to the driveway. I actually have a picture. Yeah, I have a picture here and I'm showing them. The first one where I went, they are very busy. I asked the guy if they can fix it right away. They said no. There is no chance that they are, it's going to be, yeah, fixed right away. Yeah, they will just quote it and send an email. They will just said like that.